if you're looking for an amazing cycling workout without leaving your house, you're gonna wanna check out this bike. This thing's absolutely amazing. You could hear I'm pedaling on it right now. You could barely hear it. It's so easy to use, it's easy to set up. I'm gonna give you a closer look at all the different features, so let's get into that now. All right, so this is a close-up of it right over here. We have this set up in our basement. This was really easy to put together. You're literally gonna get the two pieces down there, put some screws in it, put the seat on, and put the pedals on, which is super easy. This is adjustable, so these will adjust the handlebars if you like. You can also adjust the seat by using this to go up and this one over here to go forward, so you have that. This is gonna be your stop button right over here, so once you need to stop, all right, to get this powered on, we're just gonna push down on that, and we got the start right here. If you want, you could download the app, and these are all the instructions that you need to follow. Super easy. I use my iPad with this, so you just put it right up there, and you're good to go. You wanna get this started right here, we're just gonna push down, just like this. See, we're getting ready right over here, and we're off. If you wanna adjust the level, you're just gonna go to the left right here. If you wanna change it up, you're gonna go to the right, just like that. Super easy, you could hear it's not making a ton of noise, which is great. You can go up to 32 resistance. This thing is built great. And then of course you have the stop button, which you can't move at all. So if you gotta do the stop right there, you could do that. Overall, if you're looking for a great workout, cycling in your own place, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.